Hello everyone and welcome back to Vin's live channel. So today I'd like to show you the unboxing for the Microwave Oven Artusi, the art of cooking. So I don't receive any benefit from Artusi, so if Artusi company is watching this video, you can inbox me or DM me. Okay, so are you excited now? I'm going to inbox, and this is my first time ever to use the microwave oven, so I guess there's a lot of things. We can have a look at it. So this model AMO31X is really brand new and shiny, like you can see it right now. So the color, blue color here and here, it means that you need to peel out the mantle before you use it, like I'm doing right now. Let's make it. Alright, the first one, and the next one, like this. Oh my god, I love this sound so much. Oh my god. Look at that. Really brand new and shiny, like any new machine in your kitchen. So next, I'm gonna open this window oven, and here, okay, you can see we have a little bit equipment. This is the roller ring, and this is the plastic base. I will show you later. Let's put it here. And what it is? Oh my god. Oh, okay. So this is the. Oh, this is a glass tray. Oh my god, it's huge. I swear that this is one of the largest glass tray ever in my life I've ever seen. So let's try to put it here. Oh yeah. So I put the roller ring here first, and then the glass dish tray. Okay, so one, you can roll it a bit like this, so you can be assured that it's already fixed in here. Okay. So after you plug it in the whole thing, like the roller ring and the glass tray, now it's a very exciting part. You can see the control panel here is a very good looking with the digital control panel. So there's a small button right here, then you can turn to the left to defrost and turn to the right to microwave, and let's give it a go, like an example like this. There you go. And if you want to stop, just click on it and we're done. So I finished the unboxing time for the Microwave Oven Artusi AMO31X. So I would like to hear your comment, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Vin's Live to update yourself with the new utensil and a lot of things upcoming. Thank you.